A dangerous cold front is coming, and our very own Mr. Godfrey Burnside, meteorologist, is here to tell us all about it. Good morning and welcome to Bahamas at Sunrise.
Mr. Burnside.
Yes, good morning, you host.
Yes, we have to treat you like an actual host, right? So tell us, a cold front is coming. Tell us all about it. Why is this happening?
Let me start with this. January 19th, 1977, our lowest temperature in Grand Bahama went to 41. In New Providence, it went to 44. And we had some snow flurries in Grand Bahama and the northern parts of Abaco. This is a similar interesting weekend for us with this powerful and dangerous cold front. As a matter of fact, as of midday, the afternoon tomorrow, the prefrontal activity will start bringing some dangerous winds, 25 to 35 knots gusting to gale force. That means we have some hazardous beaching and boating conditions. The front passes through late Saturday night into Sunday morning. That means the temperature is going to dip, meaning that in Grand Bahama, they're looking at probably the upper 40s, the lower 50s. We're looking at lower 50s to the lower 50s to mid 50s over the weekend, and that can go to probably Tuesday into Wednesday. But the wind chill factor will make it feel like the upper 20s in Grand Bahama and the 30s here in New Providence.
Wow.
And so we're asking persons, particularly boaters, get in port now in a sheltered area. We ask you to bring in some of those fringes, particularly those persons in the extreme northwest, Grand Bahama, Bimini, and ourselves, because of the strong winds. I feel that even northern Abaco will get winds probably to 50, 60 knots, all right? Probably on Sunday, late Saturday night into Sunday. And so that means you have seas probably up to 18 feet. And don't go to the beach. And my concern about pets also. Bring the pets inside, or to furniture inside, so they won't be flying missiles.
Okay.
Yes.
So what's the timeline for this to happen?
Well, the activity starts tomorrow afternoon at Grand Bahama, Abaco, Bimini, probably after midday, when they start having some showers, some prefrontal activity. And then the cold front moves through on early Sunday morning over Grand Bahama, by afternoon probably in our area. It's going to move kind of a little quick also, so therefore it's going to drag all that cool air behind it across the islands, causing all these dip in temperatures and these cool temperatures over the weekend, and also a blast. So wind conditions really gusting the strong gale force, and you're talking about more than 40 knots.
Wow.
40 knots, yes.
Wow. Well, I know the one question that Bahamians probably want to know: do they go to church on Sunday or do they stay home?
My concern is not going to church. Go to church.
Really?
Praise
Okay.
the Lord.
Okay. So it's safe to go outside.
A lot of them. It depends.
Yeah.
All right, it depends. And people have to make decisions. It could just have some precipitation, maybe the nightly thunderstorms during the morning hour. And so a decision we made. I'll probably be in church, praising the good Lord. All right, so others can probably go to church also. We're not putting any advisories out for churches, so if you want to go to church. But it's going to be some hazardous conditions Sunday morning over the islands themselves, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, I know for us, like you said, we haven't had this type of cold in a while.
Yeah.
Just again, reiterate why this is a serious storm that's coming through, and why we shouldn't take it lightly.
We shouldn't take it lightly, one, because of the strong winds gusts, okay? Like a mini tropical storm. You'll feel like in the northern regions, and that's going to spread in southeast now sometime by late Sunday into Monday. And the dip in temperatures. You've been complaining about cold.
I know, it's cold in
And
here.
it was in the 60s, and now we're going into the lower 50s and the upper 40s, and it's going to feel like, see, that's the dry one. This one's have a wind chill factor involved, all right? And the concern also for persons on the coastal region, coastal flooding, overtopping waves, all of those things going to be occurring over the weekend because of strong winds. And we ask them to protect their properties.
Yeah, and bundle up, right?
Right? I'm gonna be wearing all my clothes on
All
Sunday.
the clothes, all. But this is the time. Bring out the sweaters, the boots, the
Everything.
scarves, everything, right? Anything else you wanted to ask, Mark?
Well, I just wanted to mention, you mentioned pets, and again, I
Yes.
just wanted to reiterate that for those who have animals and pets. Yes, bring them inside.
Yes.
Like, don't leave your dogs outside, your cat outside. And then also, with the dip in temperature, we might see falling iguanas. So iguanas, when it hits a certain low temperature, their body essentially shuts down.
Okay.
So I know we've been having a green iguana problem in the Bahamas. So if you see some iguanas frozen on the ground,
Oh my goodness.
yeah, they're gonna get up though.
Okay.
They're gonna get up once they warm up.
They will. All right. Well, it's been a pleasure having you on and in studio sharing all this wonderful information with us. Thank you so much.
I thank you much.
All right.
Godfrey.
Ladies and gentlemen, you've been watching Bahamas at Sunrise. Be sure to stay warm this weekend. We'll be right back.